Hello students. So today we will discuss our 7.2 exercise from NCERT book, and this is integration by substitution method. Exercise 7.2 from NCERT, and this is topic is integration by substitution method. So first of all we have to write some results related to this one, and first result is integration of a function when function is given like this fx into f dash x into dx. This one is fx with its derivative f dash x. So in such cases we have to put here t is equal to fx, and we will observe that whether derivative of the function exists in this given function or not. So if derivative of the same function is there, then we have to put t is equal to fx, and now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dt upon dx is equal to f dash x. Now we can write this dt is equal to f dash x into dx. Then this integral become fx, we will just replace this fx with t, and f dash x into dx, that is with dt, and which is further equal to t square by 2 plus c. But as our question is in terms of x, so our answer must be in terms of x, so we replace t with the fx. So that's why this question become f of x whole square divided by 2 plus c. This is our first type when a function with its derivative is given as integrand. Second one, integral is given like this fx with its derivative f dash x, and here power of fx is given to us, maybe some power, let's suppose this power is n. This n is any real number, negative, positive, fractional. In that case also we put the same substitution, t is equal to fx, because we substitute t only that function whose derivative exists in the function, and that derivative must be in multiplication with dx. So here we will put this fx is equal to t because its derivative f dash x is there. So therefore again t is equal to fx, so then dt is equal to f dash x into dx. So that's why this part is dt. So therefore this question again t raised to power n into dt, and again you can do it. दोबारा से आप इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. थर्ड वन केस इज इंटीग्रेट ऑफ अ फंक्शन f whose in which one another part of a function, say 5x is there, whose derivative exists in that function. Now there is small part of the function fx whose derivative is there. Let's suppose that small part is 5x and its derivative is 5 dash x exists in the same function. So now here we will put this 5x is equal to t because its derivative is there. We just put t only that part of the function whose derivative is given in product of the dx. So therefore dt is equal to 5 dash x into dx, and again this part become integration of f of t into dt, and now simply you can integrate it as you have done in your 7.1 exercise. So continuing like this, we can go for the substitution of integers. So let's start our question of this 7.2 exercise. So question number 1, it is given to us, it is written here, question number 1, integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So always concentrate on the representation of integrate, that must be I equal to integration of, this is integrand part, integration with respect to x. This dx represent that integrate, we have to do integration with respect to the variable x. Now here 2x upon 1 plus x square, so we separate the function and its derivative. So we can write 1 plus x square, 1 over 1 plus x square into 2x into dx, and we observe here if we put t is equal to x square, then its derivative 2x is there. So therefore instead of substituting x square is equal to t, we can put 1 plus x square is equal to t because derivative of 1 is 0. So that's why it is better to put here t is equal to 1 plus x square. Therefore dt is equal to 2x into dx. This part is dt. Now this question become 1 upon t into dt. And you know what is the integration of 1 by t? That is log of t plus c. But as question is in terms of x, so therefore answer must be in terms of x. So it means it becomes log of 1 plus x square plus c. We will replace t with its value, that is 1 plus x square, and that's your answer. ये आपका आंसर आ गया. This is question number 1. Similarly, suppose we are having one more question. It's like this. We are having log of x divided by x into dx. So then also we can write it log x into 1 upon x into dx. And now we observe here, if we put this log x equal to t, then 1 by x into dx, that is dt. So therefore, here also we can put t is equal to log x and dt is 1 by x into dx. So therefore, this question also t into dt. So that is t square by 2 plus c. And now put value of t. So log of x whole square divided by 2 plus c. Let's pose one more question and we just make an extension in the same question. If question is like this, log of x raised to power under root log of x ले लेते हैं चलो, under root log of x divided by x into dx. Now what we can do here? Under root log x divided by x into dx. Now what we can do here again? So we can write it under root of log x into 1 upon x into dx. And we observe that derivative of log x is again 1 by x, but now derivative is with power 1 by 2. So it doesn't matter. This is fx raised to power n type. So again substitution is same. Substitution यही रहेगा, t is equal to log x, and this question is under root t into dt. That means t raised to power 1 by 2 into dt, and you can move further. Now question 4, suppose करो, we are having one more question, and that question is like this: log of x, or we can better to write like this, x into log of x into dx. So what we can do here? So we always try to identify fx and its derivative in each and every part of a question. There it is 1 by x into log of x. तो अगर हम इसको चेक करें तो देख सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे log of x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x है, but log x is in denominator, doesn't matter, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो we can write it like this: log 1 by log x into 1 by x into dx. And again same substitution will be there. T is equal to log x and dt is equal to this. So therefore this question is 1 by t into dt, 1 upon t into dt, and you know what is the integration of 1 by t? So that is log of t plus c, and now replace this t. So therefore this is log of log x plus c. I don't think कि कोई confusion है इसमें. Okay? So we just try to identify what is fx, what is fx, and what is its f dash x. If you identify these things, then this is very simple to put a function as t and find its derivative in that one. So let's take some other questions also. So 7.2 exercise, I hope you can go for a number of questions, but one question is there. Let's we also discuss that one. If we have a question such as sin x into cos x into dx, let's suppose this is the question: sin x into cos x into dx. So we have more than 3 ways to solve this question, and we can go with any one of the 3 methods or 4 methods or 5 methods. There are so many methods to solve a question in integral. So suppose firstly, let's suppose first method we put here t is equal to sin x, because we observe that derivative of sin x is cos x, which is also there. So dt is equal to cos x into dx. So therefore this integral is t into dt, because t is sin x and then cos x dt. So therefore t square by 2 plus c, and that means this is sin square x upon 2 plus c. That's your answer. This is first method. Now second method is what? We can write this sin x into cos x. Instead of this we can write it cos x into sin x into dx. I think हम इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ये sin x into cos x था. Now we have to write cos x into sin x, and we also observe derivative of cos x is again sin x. Minus sin x होता है, नेगेटिव को हम एडजस्ट कर लेंगे. So now we can put here t is equal to cos x. So derivative, what is derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x into dx, but here it is sin x into dx. So now we have 2 choices: either you multiply or divide with -1, or अगर ऐसा नहीं करना चाहते तो then sin x into dx is equal to minus dt. We just replace sin x into dx with the minus dt. So therefore this question is t into minus dt, because sin x into dx is minus dt, so therefore minus bar or t into dt. Now we can integrate it, but answer is in different type, because minus t square by 2 plus c, और t की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो cos square x by 2 plus c. चेक करो, this answer is sin square x by 2 plus c, this answer is minus cos square x by 2 plus c. Representation of answers are different, but their value is same. So if we go with different methods to solve a question, we can get solutions in different pattern, but their meaning, their result is always same. So it doesn't matter it is in sin square x, it is in cos square, both are correct. Now one third method is also there. मैं ये सिर्फ इस करके बता रहा हूँ कि आपको कहीं कंफ्यूज ना होना पड़े कि सर मैंने तो क्वेश्चन ऐसे किया और बुक में आंसर कुछ और आ रहा है, मेरा मैच नहीं कर रहा, तो दैट डजंट मैटर. Suppose now third one, we have this sin x into cos x into dx. Now multiply and divide this with 2. इस पूरे फंक्शन को 2 से multiply divide करो. Now it become 2 sin x into cos x. So therefore it is 1 by 2 sin of 2x into dx. This is sin 2x